Russian aerospace forces, missile troops and artillery continue launching high-precision attacks at Ukrainian units and reserve forces in Kharkov region. Manpower and military equipment of Kraken Nationalist Group, the 113th Territorial Defense Brigade and the 93rd Mechanized Brigade have been neutralized near Kupiansk and Izum. The enemy has lost up to 250 servicemen and over 20 units of military equipment. High-precision missile attacks of the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of the units from the 63rd Mechanized and 46th Air Mobile Brigades at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction near Kostromka and Belogorka in Kherson region. One munition depot that storaged 45,000 tons of Ukrainian munitions has been destroyed near Voznesensk in Nikolaev region. Kiev regime has lost a total of over 300 servicemen dead and up to 1,000 wounded over the past 24 hours at the above-mentioned operation.